Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful peacock decoration. This is a pink peacock made out of crepe paper and cardboard together with colored paper. You can use this for any occasion like a birthday party or a themed party, or also as a room decoration. If you are new to this channel is all about DIYs, party decoration and room decoration. You can find exclusive themed party decorations find nowhere else, only on this channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, then press on that red subscribe button so you don't lose this channel and you can find me back. And you can stay updated on all the latest designs that I'll be making of decorations and DIYs. All the designs will be exclusive, which you can find nowhere else on internet. So why wait? Press that red subscribe button right now. Help this beautiful decoration get at least 100 likes. This peacock decoration really deserves it. So the first thing that we'll do, we'll take a piece of cardboard. I have here a piece of cardboard which is 30 centimeters by 42 centimeters. And in this, we'll make our sketch. I have divided the box in 3 parts, like this. You can see the lines here. This will help guide me how I want to draw the body of the peacock. So the first thing, I'll take this place here, the first line that we have here. And I know that from here I want to make a circle that goes to this line. If I have the cardboard, I can divide it visually in 3 parts. I'll take the first part, and from the first part I'll come above here. We'll cross this third line for a very small piece like this. From here, we'll bring it down a bit and then take it back there deep for above. And from there, we'll bring it down back to the point where we start our sketch. Like this. Now with the help of the cutter, we'll cut this out. That's our first piece that we'll be needing. Our second piece that we'll be needing. For this, we'll take another piece of cardboard again. First of all, we are going to make a small piece circle. The beak area. And then we are going to make the lower body of it, of the peacock. Now we are going to cut this out. Next we are going to take pink paper and we will glue our peacock on it. So this is the body. We will put the glue on it. And we'll glue it on the pink paper. Next, carefully we are going to take scissors. We won't cut on these edges that we have here. We'll cut at a distance of 2 centimeters from it, at least 2 centimeters. And we'll follow the same shape of the peacock, but we'll make sure that our cut is far from the peacock itself. After having done that, we will make cuts. After each half centimeter, make cuts like this. Next, on all the cuts that we made here, apply glue on them. Then simply we will fold all these papers like this. That's exactly the same that we are going to do with this one. We are going to apply glue on it. And we are going to paste it on our pink paper. We will cut this also, not on the edge, but at a distance of at least 2 centimeters. And just follow the shape. Here again, exactly the same way. At half centimeter distance from the edge. Like this, we'll make cuts. We'll take glue and we'll apply glue on the edges here. Then we are going to fold it over like this. We have covered one side now. This is the same way we are going to cover the other side. We're going to paste it on this, cut it out in shape at 2 centimeters distance from the edge, Make small cuts on them after each half centimeter. Apply glue on them and one by one close the edges to make it form a perfect wing. After doing this, if you have any excess edges, just cut them out. Next, we'll be needing small squares of 7 by 7 centimeters of crepe paper. Here you have the paper. You'll fold it in half diagonally like this. The next fold that you'll be making is like this, but you won't press it, and you'll fold it once again, and again you won't press it. You'll only give a small press here so that you have a fold line. Then this paper, you'll bring it in half like this, and from here you'll bring it here in half like here. There you're going to make a fold. Same you're going to do on this side. You fold it only till half, and you're going to fold it over like this. So next, from here we are going to make our cut, and here we have our flower, and we will be needing 26 pieces like this. After cutting all the flowers, we'll take a piece of black paper. I have a piece of black paper here, and on this black paper we will draw a circle and we will draw lashes. You know, like those cute unicorn lashes, like that. We are going to cut it out and we are going to paste it, and also we'll apply glue on the lashes, and we'll place the lashes on top of the eyes like this. Next, we are going to take a small square piece of paper of 5 by 5 centimeters, and we will make cuts in it. We'll make long cuts in it, but not till the end. Next, we are going to take our scissors and we are going to curl them out lightly. Be careful that you don't tear the paper. Then we are going to fold it up like this, and with a piece of tape we'll place this on the back side of the head. In our next step, we are going to paste this piece on this piece here. So we know we want our peacock till here. It looks nice here. So we'll just with pencil make a marking, so we know till which area we need to apply glue on it. Next, start from the tail section and we will put small pieces of double-sided tape on it, and we will paste each flower that we made like that. See how many flowers fits in your decoration? If you think that there are less flowers, you want to decorate it with more flower, you need more flowers to cover it up, then make more flowers. Adjust it according to your size. Next, I have here small foam beads covered with glitter. After this, we are going to take small pieces of double-sided tape again, and we will put it in the middle of our flower and we will paste our beads there. That's exactly what we'll be doing in all the flowers. Just make sure one time that all the beads are fitted securely and they won't slide off or roll off from your decoration. Next, we are going to take crepe paper again. We will keep its width 4 centimeters and we'll cut out a strip of it. After cutting this strip, I will be needing the length of 60 centimeters. So I'll open it up in the length and I'll take pieces of 60 centimeters. I will be making 6 strips like this. Next, we'll take one strip that we have here and we will fold it in half. After cutting this out, we'll keep the folded side for the left side, and the side that can open, we'll keep that for the right side. And we will make cuts in them, and our cuts will be like this, diagonally, not till the end, like this. They'll be about 1 centimeter deep. Don't cut all the way till the end, at least keep 4 fingers distance free of cuts. From this piece that we didn't cut, we'll open up. We'll take our peacock now, and from about this place, we are going to take a piece of tape and we'll tape this. We will take our next piece, scrap paper that we have, we'll put it next to it, and we'll secure it with a piece of tape. For our next step, we'll be taking double-sided tape. I've taken a piece of 5 centimeters. I need 4 pieces like that. After we have secured the peacock on the wall, next step we'll take it still, and we will turn for the left side, and I'll make 6 turns in them. I'll paste it on the wall here. For our next step, we'll take papers. I have dark pink color paper, light pink color paper, and I have glitter pink paper in dark pink. Also, what we'll be needing is a spoon. Our first step, we'll take the dark color paper, the dark pink. We'll put our spoon on it like this, and we'll just follow the spoon. Like this. Complete this like this. It will be like an egg shape. Next, we'll cut this out. This is 1 piece. I will be needing 6 pieces like this. After making 6 of these pieces, we'll take our light pink color paper. I'll fold it like this. Now cut it out. Next, I'm going to fold my paper once like this and once like this. In the middle, I'll draw a circle and we will cut it out. 6 circles that we made. We'll take one of this like this. We'll keep the pointed side for beneath. We'll take a piece of our round paper that we made, and we'll paste our circle like this. Not exactly in the middle, a bit for the lower side. And that's what we are going to do on all the pieces. In our next step, we'll take glitter paper. We'll take a small strip of it, a strip of 2 centimeters, and we'll cut it out. And we will fold the strip so in 3 parts until we have 6 pieces. This is 1 fold, 2 fold, and 3 fold. On this, I will draw a small heart, and we'll cut it out, and we will glue it in the middle. Like this, we are going to glue all the other hearts on them. Next, we'll be taking a piece of double-sided tape of 1 centimeter and we'll paste it in the middle. And that's what we'll be doing with all the pieces. For our next step, we'll take one of these and we will paste it like this. Next, we'll be taking a small piece of square of 5 by 5 centimeters and we'll fold it in half. Then I'll make 2 straight lines. We'll draw like this and cut it out in shape. Next, we'll take our small feet that we just made and we'll put tape on it, on both, and we are going to place them. And this is our peacock decoration. If you did like this video, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do check all my other videos. I have lots of exclusively themed party decorations which you can find nowhere else, only on this channel. If you haven't clicked that like button yet, then click that like button right now. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe. It means a lot